Welcome back to another tutorial. Today I show you a brand new AI text-to-image tool, and that will change the game. It is so mind-blowing what you can do with that. And we speak about Flux AI. There are 4 different methods you can use. I will show you all the 4, how you can get it. You can click the links in the video description, and the first one is on Hugging Face. It's an open source AI tool, and here you can choose between these two spaces, Flux 1 Schnell or Flux 1 Dev. I recommend Flux 1 Schnell. Again, this is how it looks. Very easy to use, and then just give your prompt here. For example, a fluffy teddy bear is walking in New York City. Times Square. Spotlight and cinematic. We can add something, a wide shot of a fluffy teddy bear is walking in New York City in Times Square. Okay, good. Then here you can change the advanced settings if you want to change the ratio here, but we can leave it now how it is. Just click on run, and then it is really fast. And now we got our image here. Looks amazing. Have a look here. Absolutely perfect. Then click on download here. You find your image here, and to show you, it's an WebP file. Okay, so if you want to change it, you can change it very easy and quick on Canva. Go to Canva, click on new design, and then Instagram square. Put the image here, scale it up, and then on Times Square, and click on share and download as a PNG. I recommend. What is very interesting here on Flux AI, you can also create text without any problems. Just let me show you an example. A wide shot of a, we take this one here, a wide shot of a skinny guy who eats a lot of burgers in McDonald's. Let's see what we get. Good. I think we have to make the prompt a little bit more specific, but you can see here the logo from McDonald's. It looks perfect. Click here on download, and then you got it. Let's give you another example, a wide shot of a guy is drinking a coffee at Starbucks, for example. And now I can see here the logo. It looks perfect. You see here the Starbucks. The letters are perfect, and yeah, I like this image. Really cool. With just a simple prompt, you can create images like that. Want to learn how to improve your prompts, your lighting, or your material, and everything like that, I have a free ebook for you to download. You can find it in the link in the video description, okay? And Flux AI, you can also use it here on Picasso. You have to create an account. At first you can copy, paste a prompt here, for example the same prompt. Click on create, but then he wants you to create an account. At first, log in or sign up for free. And you can create and you can also use it here, Flux AI, on and you can use also Flux AI on replica.com. You can use it with different LoRa effects. That means this is something like filter that you can use it here. But here also you have to create an account. You have to sign up at first to use this, okay? And if you have a very strong computer, then you can download it here directly on your computer on Pinocchio. And this is I think this is the best way, because there are no limitations here. You can do nearly everything here. You can see here verified scripts from verified publishers like kling.ai. I think you already know this, guys, and you heard about that maybe. Or maybe soon I will create a tutorial to explain to you how you can install it on your computer, okay? But I think at first you are good to go with using Flux AI on Hugging Face. Now I show you how you can create videos from your images you made with Flux AI. And we do it with kling.ai. It is the most powerful AI tool at the moment where you can create videos, okay? Amazing text to videos or amazing image to videos you can create. If you create a free account with kling.ai, they give you 66 credits daily, and then you can create 6 images with that per day, because one image costs 10 credits. I got a standard plan here, the paid plan, and I got some more. And just click here on AI videos, and here you can create text to video, or you can create image to video. We choose image to video, and then choose this one. Some videos I made from my images. I will use that because I already got here the negative prompts I want to use. And now let's animate our image from the teddy bear. Teddy on Times Square. And then here you can use a prompt if you want, but you don't need it because the AI is creating the video from the image. But to improve it a little bit, you can see what's better, okay? Just change this one here. The teddy from the image is walking cool and smoothly on the streets. Then click on generate. It costs 10 credits. And then it takes almost like 5 minutes to create your video. And now we got our video. Look there, it is so mind-blowing, the result. How the teddy bear is walking, you can see all the people in the background. It is so amazing with kling.ai what you can do with it. Just with 2 AI tools, with Flux AI and with kling.ai, you can create videos like that. If you want to get your video, then click here on download. Because I have a paid plan, I can download it without watermark, okay? If you want to bring your AI videos to the next level, then I got another free ebook for you. And with this ebook, you will find the best camera prompts, how to make the different angles, and you will also get some negative prompts, some very important negative prompts to get the best results in your video. The link you find also in the video description. And you know that you can also use Flux AI on your mobile phone from Hugging Face. Just open the link and then go to Flux One Schnell. Enter your prompt here. Then click on Run. Running on mobile, the connection can break. Is tap on focus and it will sleeps, losing your position. Okay, but it's not important because in the most of times you will be good. Look there, amazing thing, and this I just got it from my mobile phone. If you found this tutorial was helpful, then give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you, bye.